Hello everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel, the number one YouTube channel that teaches you about fashion mechanics, electronics, and digital aspect of fashion equipment. If you want a knowledge about fashion mechanics, this is the channel for you to subscribe to. So please subscribe to this channel and thank you very much. Last week I posted a video about a machine frame, which is the full body of a machine, that whole metal body. And there are 13 major parts of sewing machine, both manual and industrial. But I make video about the frame because it is something that is different from the whole component. It is the most important part of the component. Just like your body, your physical body is very important, but then there are internal organs. I'm going to list the 13 major components of sewing machine, and to improve your learning experience, I'm going to put up an animation for you to understand them better. Number one is the machine frame. Number two is the drive system, consists of hand wheel, belt, and pulley. Number three is the shaft and bearing system, consists of main shaft, bushings, and bearings. Number four is connecting mechanism, consists of connecting rod and linkage arm. These whole components are the most important part of the mechanical aspect of sewing machine, because all these components need to align together in order for rotational motion to turn into stitching. Number five, timing system, consists of upper shaft, lower shaft, timing belt, and crank mechanism. Number six is the needle system, consists of needle and needle bar. If you see how the lecture is going, is every number carries a certain component under it that makes that component work with the next mechanical component in order for that rotational motion, like I said, turn into stitch motion. Number seven is the hook system. You can see the animation, consists of hook and hook shaft. Number eight is the bobbin system, one of the most important part of sewing machine. Without it, there is no stitching. Consists of bobbin, bobbin case, and bobbin raise. Number nine is the tension system, consists of tension disc, check spring, thread guide. Number 10 is the presser system, consists of presser foot, presser bar, and presser spring. Number 11, the feed system, consists of feed dog, feed bar, feed regulating mechanism. Number 12, stitch length regulating system, consists of stitch regulator lever, reverse lever mechanism. Number 13, the lubrication system, consists of oil pump, oil pan, oil wick, and oil passage. Now this one is mostly about industrial sewing machine. On manual sewing machine, it has to be manual. Yes, you have to do it by hand, but industrial is a systematic self-oiling machine. But actually, we're going to go into many lecture about that. The oil doesn't actually go all the way around the industrial machine, and you as a fashion designer who want to have mechanical experience, or someone who just want to gain a skills, need to understand that from this video. And we're going to teach about every single part of this sewing machine. In fact, the videos have already been posted ahead. Okay, for the next 4 months, videos has been posted. All you need to do is to wait for this video every Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays, and then on Saturday, Sunday, we can have a communication in my YouTube community. Please engage this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification button so you can get the video every time the video drop. Thank you very much. I really appreciate. See you on my next video. Whatever question you have, you can ask. We are all here to learn. I'm also here to teach and also gain more experience. It's all about communication. When we communicate better, we improve together.